Unlocking the meaning of verifiable. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase that often pops up in conversations, news, and even in the world of science and education: verifiable. Understanding this term is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but also about grasping an essential concept that is widely applicable in our daily lives. So let's explore together what it means for something to be verifiable and how you can use this term accurately in English. Verifiable is an adjective that stems from the verb verify, which means to test or check something for accuracy or truth. When we describe something as verifiable, we're saying that it is possible to prove, validate, or confirm its truth or accuracy. But why is this important? In an age overflowing with information, knowing whether something can be verified is crucial for distinguishing between reliable and unreliable data. To get a real feel for the word, let's see it in action with some examples. 1. Scientific claims. In science, a claim must be verifiable. This means it should be possible to perform experiments or observations that can confirm the claim is true or false. 2. News reports. Responsible journalism requires that reports be based on verifiable facts, not rumors or unfounded assertions. 3. Resumes and applications. When you submit a resume, your qualifications and experience should be verifiable, meaning prospective employers should be able to check your background for accuracy. These examples illustrate the broad relevance of verifiable information, emphasizing its importance in various fields. Understanding synonyms and antonyms can deepen your comprehension of verifiable. Synonyms include confirmable, provable, substantiatable. On the flip side, antonyms would be words like unverifiable, inconclusive, unsubstantiated. Using these related words can enrich your vocabulary and help you express the concept with nuance. Now, let's practice using verifiable in sentences to solidify your understanding. The researcher presented verifiable evidence to support his theory. They sought a verifiable record of the event to ensure its authenticity. The story's sources should be independent and verifiable. Notice how verifiable adds a layer of credibility and reliability to the subjects in these sentences. Congratulations on adding a powerful new word to your linguistic toolkit. Remember, when you come across information, asking whether it's verifiable is a great habit, ensuring that you base your understanding and decisions on solid ground. I hope this video has made the concept clear and that you'll feel confident using verifiable in your conversations and writings. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!